In this video, I'd like to take you through the process of sending trades to Journalytix from MT4. And it's really simple. After installing the DaytradR application, you will see a new expert advisor on MT4, JT Journalytix. Note that if you don't see this, let us know, as it probably just means we need to adjust the installer for your version of MT4. And there are a lot of different white label versions of MT4, so it's possible we didn't catch all of them on the installer. The first step is to attach the expert advisor to one of your charts. Now make sure that DLL Imports are enabled, otherwise it won't be able to talk to the trading application. Now any chart will do, and you only need to attach this to one of your charts. You do this once and then you leave it there. The next step is to run Jigsaw Day Trader. This is the app that will send the trade securely to the cloud. Once both apps are running, you can place a trade, and when you do, it'll be sent to Journalytix within seconds. Thank you.